Is this drawing paper?
Yeah, something like that.
That's cool. Okay, this is a drawing?
Yeah, open it up.
Oh, oh my gosh!
Hello, it's me, your girl. Now in today's video, I am going to be publicly calling out my mom. You see, my mom's current phone situation, it's about 6 or 7 years old. It doesn't hold a charge worth an absolute dang when she needs it the most. When she bought it, it was white, but now the phone is yellow. The home button makes all kinds of noises. And every single time I have said, "Hey mom, why don't you get a new phone? It's been 7 years." God bless her, you know, she's just the kind of person who just absolutely cannot buy herself nice things. You know, in her head, she thinks she doesn't deserve it. But today, guys, I, SuperRaeDizzle, am declaring on the internet that mom, you deserve a new phone, and I'm gonna get it for you. I'm not only going to be surprising my mom with an iPhone 11, but I'm also going to be customizing it with her favorite character in the whole wide world. And before we get right into it, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're old here, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. That way you can get notified of all my new videos. And yeah, with that being said, guys, let's go and buy my mom brand new iPhone 11. Alright, so here is the phone. It is such a beautiful phone. I went ahead and got just like the regular iPhone 11. I didn't get the Pro Max or anything like that because I felt like it might be too intense, you know, for my mom to switch over to something like that. I got the all black version, that way it'll go with what I have planned for the drawing. It'll all smoothly flow together. And this brings me to step 1. If you're gonna do any kind of customizing on anything, you gotta tape it, man. It's so important that you cover up all the important spots because I'm gonna be spraying it with acrylic sealant, I'm gonna be painting all over it, scratching it, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff to it. So I wanna make sure there's a protective barrier over everything. Now, as much as this is gonna hurt, this next part is very essential. I'm gonna have to like mentally prepare for it. Very painful. Ugh, this is gonna hurt so bad to do. You gotta sand it down, you gotta prep your canvas, and basically what that means is I gotta scratch the crap out of my iPhone that I just bought and create some surface tension, that way the paint will stick to it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, at this point there is absolutely no going back now, so this brings me to the next step. Now with some acrylic paint onto the background. And for the background, I'm just gonna keep it simple, nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna keep it nice flowing, nothing too crazy, just like a nice blended out background. The next step is to create an outline with a pencil. Actually, wait, never mind. Abort mission. Abort mission. It scraped off the paint. So yeah, not gonna do that. So on to plan B. Paint markers. Cue the honorary ZHC shot. Now that the cat's out of the bag, you guys know what I'm drawing, and that's Mickey Mouse. My mom is obsessed with Mickey Mouse. So you can see, out of everything in this world that I could have painted, why I chose Mickey Mouse. And now that Mickey Mouse is done, I'm very happy with how it came out. I could work a little bit more on the background. And I think it's time to do a little stippling. Alright, so I finished the initial design and I am so happy with how it came out. I think my mom is going to be so stoked to see it, but we are not done yet. I still have to seal it, that way nothing happens to the design and it gets a nice glossy finish. It's so cold out here, but work has to be done. Now that it has a nice, shiny, protective layer, I can do the last step, which is to clean it up and take off the tape. Alright guys, so it is currently the next day. I am so happy with how the final product came out. I wiped off the screen, I repackaged it, and now the only thing left to do is to go drop it off at my mom's house. She doesn't live in the same town as me, so I gotta drive a few hours, but I'm so excited for her to see it, so let's go. Okay, Mom, say hello to everybody.
Hello, everybody. Is it recording?
It's recording right now, yeah.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
So yes, guys, my mom is back on my channel. I love her so much. You nervous?
Yes, of course. I'm not used to this like you.
I'm a little nervous too. But anyway, I painted you something. And I'm very excited for you to see. Guys, she has no idea. I'm excited. I'm excited too.
Okay.
All right, Mom, so here it is.
This is her famous wrapping. All our Christmas presents and everything look something like this. Just FYI.
Yeah, I'm a terrible rapper.
You know I'm not a rip open present touch person. Okay, this is a drawing.
Yeah, open it up.
Oh. She used the box. Oh my gosh! Oh, that's great! You painted this?
Yeah, I got you an iPhone, Mom.
Oh my gosh!
So you can get rid of your old one.
Oh, this is beautiful! Look at that! There's not another one like it in the world. How about that? Oh, this is awesome!
Oh, I'm glad you like it, Mom.
I don't like it. I love it. I adore it.
Oh, yay!
It is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I just felt like it was time for you to upgrade your phone. How long have you had your phone for? Like 6 years? 7 years?
It's a Samsung 4, and I think they're up to like S10, I think, now.
Dang.
Mine's a 4. I mean, I don't mind it. You know, takes good pictures.
You're gonna be blown away. When you see like the difference between the iPhone photo and your old camera, it's gonna blow your mind.
Wow.
Did you have any idea that I was gonna get you an iPhone?
No, I didn't. I thought it was actually gonna be like a drawing.
painting.
Yeah, and I was like, she's gonna give me one because she never gives me one.
Yeah. I know, literally one right there.
She gave me one. I'm gonna retract that. She gave me one. Actually, 2.
Now you can show off to everybody and be like, hey, guess what? Look at my
I
iPhone.
know, I'm gonna be like that. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be everywhere I go at the airport. I'm gonna be like this. Oh.
Well, good.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's
Oh,
wonderful.
no problem.
It's a wonderful gift.
Anything for you.
Oh, and the same.
Well, guys, thank you so much again for watching and having my mom be back on my channel. Thank you. And yeah, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.